Hey guys, just giving you another little tip of what I do with a seasoned lard. And I use a lard that you can buy anywhere in any of your supermarkets. And it's one of the most healthiest uh, cooking oils that you can use in your kitchen. So what I'm going to be bringing forward is a seasoned lard, and I use natural clove garlic here that I have. I do it in olive oil. Beautiful peel, and you keep it in there so you get the seasoning of the in the olive oil, and keep these in the fridge. And we're going to incorporate that in the lard in a minute. I got some roasted garlic, granular garlic here that I like to use. I have some salt, pepper. I have an old porcelain cup that I'm going to keep it in after I finish. So I'm just going to take some lard, a couple of tablespoons. This lasts, folks. You can just keep this like butter on your kitchen, on your stove side. You know, in the old days, they used to use the bacon fats and natural lards. And this was the days before there was no heart disease. Isn't that funny? So this is a healthy alternative to any of the vegetable oils, soybean oils, corn oils. This is the healthiest alternative. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to be using this type of fat for seasoning my meats, saute a vegetable, all sorts of things. I'm just going to grab a little bit of a couple tablespoons of raw garlic. Let that go. I'm going to crush this down. I'm using a fork. I'm cooking here. Just want to pierce it. Let those garlic oils pop out. This is fresh garlic. Add a few more. Add a few pop out. Add a few more. You want these to cook in. You want to at least pierce them. That way you can do this beforehand. I'm just showing you. I'm working with one hand as I have one hand on the camera, guys. This is going to infuse the lard. I'm also you can start to see that garlic clove brown and cook. Boy, it smells beautiful. You can use this on your Italian bread for garlic bread. Get some nice color. And I'm going to turn the burner down. Okay. This all cooled down. Yeah, see now the garlic is cooked, and you can just squish the garlic. Just look at that. Just flattens right out. You can also let this cool and do this as well, okay? Mix this in. We're going to season it. I use my salt, pepper, okay? That way it's all seasoned, and once this cools down, I'm also going to have the same pepper that I have in my salt pepper. I'm going to put that in here, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of the granulated roasted garlic as well, okay? And I'm going to allow that to cool up. Now I'm letting this cool down. And I like a little spice. I use a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. Okay. And again, this is cooling down, so you don't want it too hot when you roast it. Okay. And that's complete. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a little storage. We're going to take this, and we're going to allow this to cool. And when it does cool, you're going to give it a final mix just to bring everything that's sitting on the bottom, and you'll get a congeal similar to this, but in the infused lard. Okay, now you can use this. Boy, what beautiful smell! And I wish you could taste. Well, if you tried doing this, you'll taste what I'm. Unbelievable. You can use this in saute. You can actually saute some vegetables in here if you want, or eggs. Beautiful with eggs. Saute, you can, when it's cool, you can rub it on meats and chicken. And there's your infused garlic spicy lard. Thanks for watching, guys.